Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading between you and your person, the person you are dealing with. So on one side I'll be picking up your energies, on cards for your energies, on other side the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the sides according to your story. So let's see what's there for the Virgos. On your side we have the Nine of Swords. Let's see what's there on your person's side. We have the Temperance. Okay, the most likely outcome. The King of Cups. Okay, so with the Nine of Swords you are definitely having a lot of anxiety, sleepless nights, tension, not able to sleep. With the Temperance over here, this person perhaps is very balanced or trying to balance the situation, because I said this person is perhaps very balanced because as the outcome we have the King of Cups. So what I feel is maybe this person doesn't open up emotionally or show their emotions to you, and that is why you are very tense. You really don't know their feelings. Maybe this person is very very controlled about their emotions. Let's see what we have in the clarifiers though. So why is this Nine of Swords here for Virgos? Oh, Temperance again on your side. Three of Pentacles and the the Knight of Cups on your side. Where is this Temperance? King of Swords, the Five of Cups. Okay, Six of Pentacles on their side. Let's see why is this King of Cups here for the most likely outcome. We have the Queen of Cups, the Devil, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, okay, Six of Wands, the Strength, and the Chariot. Okay, so here you are very very tense, definitely, but you are trying to take a decision. You are trying to balance the situation. You are very very anxious though, for whatever reason it is, but you are trying to balance it. Okay, and you are waiting also. You are waiting for things to solve and balancing. Till then you are trying to overcome this anxiety and all by spending time with your friends and family. That's what I feel. And here with the Knight of Cups, you are ready. I see who this is what you want. The energy which I'm getting is you want to offer them love, and you are just sitting there with all your love waiting for this person to accept. Okay, perhaps this person is not giving you a positive answer, and it's like the energy which I'm getting is like you're waiting on their doorstep, waiting in their close vicinity. They can see you, that you are waiting there outside. They can see you from the window, they can see you from the door, wherever. It's just an example. So they know, at least energetically they know that you are there with all the love. You're sitting and waiting for the answer. With the energy which I'm picking up is you are sitting and waiting for an answer which you have not yet received. So you want an acknowledgement or a yes from them which they have not yet given. That's what I'm getting. So you're sitting there. Okay, even if they cannot see you physically, but yes, they know energetically that you are ready. You're just waiting for an answer, and they are not giving that to you. And with the Temperance, they are trying to make up a mind, balancing, and they're not showing your emotions. That's what I already said. This person is very very balanced, and the reason behind that is they have nothing against you. They have nothing against you. They have a withered past. They have a lot of, they have dealt with a lot of struggle. They are fearful. They have an anxiety. They don't want any hurt, and they are not ready to invest because of this reason. Though with the Six of Pentacles, they are trying to make up their mind. They are trying to balance themselves. But the thing is, it is because of the they have struggled a lot in the life. They have suffered a lot of hurts basically. Okay, and that is why they are not ready to invest. That is why they are not committing. It's not that they don't like you, or they don't like you, or they have anything against you. No, it's their own thing. It's their own thing. It's own struggles of the past that they are having a hard time committing, or having a hard time saying yes. But yes, I do see them balancing, trying to balance and sort things out within themselves, not with you, but within themselves. Okay, and here with the King of Cups, as I already said, this person is emotionally mature and content, not content, sorry, emotionally stable. Sorry, what I said was that this person is not showing their emotions. Yeah, they are not showing their emotions to you. They are emotionally controlled, not content. Controlled was the word I said. Okay, and here with the Queen of Cups as the clarifier, the Devil and the Ace of Cups. So what I see is, though as this person is trying to balance and sort things out within themselves, with the we have the King of Cups, the Queen of Cups, the Devil and the Ace of Cups. What I feel is, it is something which they really need to work on, actually. That is what. But what I see is that perhaps they will step up to it. They will step up to it. Just give them that time. With the Queen of Cups, Devil and the Ace of Cups, definitely they are guarding their heart, but they are trying to work on it. They need a lot of time to work on this, because it seems to be a huge struggle. Maybe they've been hurt by someone or by many people, and that is why they are not ready for it right now. They need time. They really need some time, maybe a lot of time, to to open up, basically, or say yes. And here with the Ace of Cups followed by the Six of Wands, the Strength and the Chariot. So I think if you give them the time, this person will come up. They will show up. They are trying to fight their own psyche, and trying to uh, balance themselves so that they can make this happen. And with Ace of Cups is a new beginning also. They are just guarding their heart. That's it. With the Six of Wands and the Strength, so it is requiring, with the Devil and the Strength, it requires a lot of strength for them to come out of this and move ahead. And with the Chariot over here, I see, though it will take time, but yes, it will happen. Give them the time. Don't rush in. And I think you are doing that. You are not rushing in. Let's see what's the message from the universe. Simple acts of kindness. Number 5 may be of some significance for you. Simple act of kindness. Kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. So just be kind, just be friendly, just be compassionate. If they are not committing, let it be. Don't let them commit, but you just be there as you are being there. Don't force them to commit. Don't force them to rush in. Just be kind to them. Just be friendly to them, and let it be. Just let it be. I think it's just a passage of time. Things will happen. Give them the time. So that's all I have for you, Virgos. I just hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.